Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 8, Natural Resources, lecture number 14. Friends, in the previous lecture, we discussed and got a lot of information about what is soil. We learned about the formation of soil. We learned the importance of soil, how these soils are associated with mankind. When we were discussing about the types of soil, we learned about the different characteristics of the different soil and understood how this soil is important for us. Friends, in the previous lecture, we discussed about what is soil erosion and what are the measures taken to control this soil erosion. Friends, in the previous lecture when we were discussing about what is soil erosion, we discussed that whenever the land particle is transferred from one place to another due to heavy air, that is wind, or heavy rain, then it is known as soil erosion. Friends, we discussed that whenever this soil erosion takes place, it makes a lot of loss. Then we also learned that it takes a long time for the uppermost layer of the soil to be formed. It takes a long period. We also discussed that when the topmost layer of the soil gets eroded due to air or rain, then the fertility of the soil reduces, the production decreases, the quality of the crops that is cultivated in the farm is not maintained. So it becomes necessary for us to control this soil erosion. We also discussed about measures taken to control this soil erosion. What measures should be taken? We discussed that grazing should be controlled. Unnecessary grazing should be controlled, due to which we can stop this soil erosion, because most of the soil erosion is done due to this cattle grazing. We discussed that plantation should be done in the contour matter in the slopy region and the mountainous region. We also discussed that check dams should be constructed to control the flow of the water. We should grow more and more trees that holds the fertility of the soil. We also discussed that this whatever production, whatever plantation we are doing, that should be cultivated deeply into the field so that the flow of the water can be reduced. So these were some of the ways through which we can control, we can stop this soil erosion. Friends, today the topic that we are going to cover, that is the meaning of soil erosion and the remedies for soil conservation. Let us understand what is soil conservation. Friends, let us understand the meaning of what is soil conservation. Here it is said, soil conservation refers to the prevention of soil erosion. We can say that the steps taken to control soil erosion. Friends, here it is said that what is soil erosion? Here it is said soil erosion refers to the prevention of soil conservation refers to the steps taken for preventing the soil erosion. So that is, here it is said soil conservation refers to the prevention of the soil erosion. We can say that the soil erosion. Friends, now let us understand about the measures that can be taken or the remedies for this soil conservation. Friends, now let us understand about the remedies for forest conservation. Here it is said, the first thing that we can understand, the first point, that what remedies should be taken. Here it is said, trees that cover most of the forest area. These trees in the forest holds the soil particle for a long time. That is very important for the prevention of this soil erosion. So first step, that is that trees should be grown and taken care in forest area as it holds soil particles for long time and stops soil erosion. Friends, here the first step is taken that trees should be grown more and more, and trees should be grown and taken steps in forest area. Trees should be grown and taken steps in forest area as it holds soil particle for long time. Here it is said, in the forest area, the more and more trees are covered, and these trees, the roots of these trees, hold the soil particles. So, due to which it stops the soil erosion. Another is grazing should be controlled. Another is this, that grazing should be controlled, because again, as we learned in the previous lecture, that grazing makes a lot of soil erosion. So unnecessary grazing, cattle grazing should be stopped. Another is that more and more trees should be planted as it holds soil particles for long time. Another point is more and more trees should be planted as it holds the soil particle for a long time. So mostly, as we learned in the previous lecture, that the fallow land of our country should be covered by planting trees so that we can stop this soil erosion. Then another step, that is horizontal and terraced farming should be done to control the soil erosion. Here it is said horizontal and terrace farming should be done in the areas where it is necessary so that we can control the soil erosion. As we discussed in the just previous point, that more and more trees should be planted because it holds the soil particle. Same way here, due to control and reduce the flow of water, horizontal and terrace farming should be done so that we can control the soil erosion. Then a series of trees should be planted in the desert area to control soil erosion due to velocity of wind. Here it is said a series of trees should be planted in the desert area so that the soil erosion can be stopped due to the high velocity of the wind that is blowing over there, and due to which soil is eroded, as we learned in the previous point, that due to this heavy air the soil particles are transferred from one place to another, which is one of the important cause of soil erosion. So a series of trees should be planted in the desert area to control this velocity of wind. Friends, here it is said we should take necessary steps supporting the government. Here it is said we should take necessary steps. We should take necessary steps supporting the government, and it is the duty of each and every individual, each and every citizen, that we should work on the prevention of this soil erosion. So, duty of all citizens to work on control of soil erosion. Here it is said it is the duty of each and every citizen to work on the control of soil erosion. So friends, today we discussed about the soil conservation, its meaning and the remedies taken for soil conservation. Soil conservation, we learned that soil conservation refers to the prevention of soil erosion, means the steps taken to control soil erosion, that is soil conservation. Remedies, trees should be grown mostly, and steps should be taken in the forest area because it controls, it holds the soil particle for a long time. Then more and more trees should be planted so that this soil particle can be held for a long time. Horizontal and terrace farming should be done. Then a series of trees should be planted in the desert area, especially so that they can control the wind velocity. And last, it is the step of each and every individual person to be aware and work on the prevention of this soil erosion. Thank you.